Hello po. Good evening to everyone who's here. Maraming salamat po. Alam ko po, busy po kayo lahat. Pasensya na po, inistorbo pa namin kayo for a block screening. Pero this is a privilege po to those who have very hectic schedules po to see Imagine You and Me. So, si Maine po wala because she has a prior commitment, pero sana po nandito siya. And thank you po for making time to see us on behalf of GMA Artist Center po. Maraming salamat. And I see so many familiar faces. At ibibeso ko na po kayo lahat. Let's do this! Thank you po!
Just to remind everyone, andin po ang mismong lalapit sa inyo. So, siya po mismo ang lalapit. So, wag na po kayong mag-alala. Okay, just relax lang po kayo. Relax.